Hi, welcome to Wise Guys. Patterns make math easy. How to do adding and subtraction faster. So is there any pattern? Yes. So let me show you the pattern. When we're adding numbers, when two numbers add together greater than 10, so sometimes people need to use fingers. So let's say you don't need to use finger, but let's say the pattern is making 10. So the pattern is making 10. Because we know 1 plus 9 equal 10. 2 plus 8 equal 10. 3 plus 7 equal 10. 4 plus 6 equal 10. 5 plus 5 equal 10. All this one is very important. If you are very comfortable with these 5, you have no problem. You will doing addition very fast. For example, let's say do one digit adding 7 plus 8 equal 50, because 7 plus 8 equal 15. You can say 7 need a 3. 7 need a 3 make it 10. That's why 7 need a 3 make it 10. After taking 3 from 8, they still have 5, right? That's why 15. And also you can say if 8 plus 7, 8 give 3 to 7 make 10, so 8 still have 5, so still make a 15. And for example, 9 minus 6, 9 need a 1 to make 10, because 1 plus 9 equals 10. So you still have 5, so just 15. For another example, let's say if we add two-digit number, let's say 14 plus 28. 8, you start from the bigger one, it's easy. 8 need a 2, 8 need a 2 to make it 10. And still 4 still have another 2, so this is 12, right? So mark down 1 so you can see this is 42, right? Even we do 3 digits, for example, you have 204 plus 596, and say, see, 4, 6 make it 10. 4, 6 make it 10. 1 and the 9 make it 10. And this is the 8, right? 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 is 8. So another example, 467 plus 37, 378. There you go. And you see, 7 need a 3, make 10, and after take 3 from 8, you still have 5, so this will make 15. And you can add 1 with 6 first, and so 7 need a 3, and after take 3 from 7, still have 4 left, so this is 14, and this is 8, right? After more practice, let's say this one, 384. After more practice, every time when you look at the number, you say, okay, 9 need a 1. At the same time, you realize 4 becomes 3. So this is 13, and this is 6 need a 4. This is 14. And 8, 9 need a 1, so 12. Very fast. And that's why this pattern is very important, and also it's not difficult. It's not difficult. Why? Because we have 10 fingers. You can practice. If you have time, you can practice and say, okay, this is 10 fingers, so one I need a 9, make 10. 1, the other is 9. 2, need a 8, make 10. 3, need a 7, make 10. 4, need a 6, make 10. 5, need another 5, make 10, right? That's very easy to practice. And once you get comfortable, that's very easy. When you're adding number, make very fast. Even when you practice, when you, for example, you do decimal, 25.6 plus 9.5. Because decimal, we need to light up the decimal. Then add this one, 6 need a 4, because this is 11, right? Then this is you add a 1 with 9. You add this way. So you have 15, and this 3. 35.1. Even you have 3 decimal add together. For example, 4.35 plus 0.49 plus, let's say, 66.37. Add the 3 numbers, see? And see? 9 need a 1. When you look at the 9 and the 5, you say, okay, this is 14. And add the 7 is 14 plus 7. And 7 need a 14, you need a 6. 14 need a 6, make 20. It still make 10. So this is 21, right? And this is 3, 3, 4 is 10. This is 12. And this one is 11. 4, 6 make a 10. It's 11. This is 7. 71.21, right? 71.21. So after practice, when you add the number, when you look at the number in your mind, it popped up like 5 plus 9. Oh, you see it's 14. 6 plus 5 is 11, right? So most important is practice using this pattern. Next is subtraction. When we do subtraction, I say reaching to 10. What that mean? For example, if you have subtraction mostly related to it's boring, right? For example, you have 13, let's say 13 minus 6. Or we have 12 minus 8. Or even you have some number like 14 minus 6. These two. So 13 minus 6. First we can, before you know that pattern, you can draw a number line. You say this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 minus 6. Subtraction means find the difference. On the number line, actually find the distance between 6 and 13. Reaching 10 means from 6 to 13, you need first 6 to 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. First from 6, reach 10. You know, from 6 to 10 is 4 units. 4 units here. And here is 4 units. And from 10 to 13, it's easy to say this is 3 units, right? So that's why from 6 to 13 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So 12 minus 8 is the same thing. You say 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10, 11, 12. Here. 8 to 12, 8 to 10 is 2 units. And 10 to 12, another 2 units. That's why add together equals 4, right? So from 8 to 10, if you don't have number line, at the beginning you can practice number line. Later you don't need the number line because once you draw number line drawn, and then the number line will in your mind and saying, oh, 12 minus 8. So 8 to 10 is 2 units, and 10 to 12 another 2 units. That's why 4. So this one is 14 minus 6. Same thing, we can draw one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here. 6 to 10 is 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units. Here is 4 units. And from 10 to 14 is another 4 units. So total together equals 8, right? So after you practice, you know the pattern. You say, okay, 12 subtract 8, just 8 to 10, 2, 2 plus 2. And 13 minus 6 is 6 to 10 is 4, 4 plus 3. Because 4 to 13, 10 to 13 is 3 units, 4 plus 3, right? So this is borrowed. And 14 minus 6 is 6 to 10 and 4 units per 4 is 8 units. So it's 8, right? So now we can practice. For example, we have 2 digits. 35 minus 17. See? 15. 5 smaller than 7. So that means from 7 to 15. 7 to 15, because this is smaller than 7, you need to borrow 1 from 3. This becomes 15, and this becomes 2, right? And you say 7 to 10 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And this is the one, right? And see, the next one is, for example, 62 minus 49. 9 to 10 is 1 unit, per 2 is 3. This is sometimes even you don't need a label, because you know smaller you need to borrow, and this has become 5, right? So it's a 1. Next, let's say 746 subtract 298. Let's try 3 digits. Once you know borrowing, you say, okay, 6 less than 8, 4 less than 9, you need to borrow. So 6 borrow from 4, so 4 becomes 3, right? And 4, still small, borrow from 7 is 5, is 6. So when you do this one, you see very fast. So 16 minus 8, this is 8 to 10 is 2. 2 plus 8, 2 plus 6 is 8. And this is from 9 to 10 is 1 unit per 3 is 4. And this is borrow 1, so this is 4, right? And even you do subtraction with decimal. For example, you have 100.3 subtract 64.8. See, once you know smaller, you need to borrow. So this becomes 2. This becomes 0, right? And this is become 9, 9. This is 13. Okay. So then you see 13 minus 8. This is 8 to 10 is 2 units per 3. When you see the 8, you see, oh, this is 2 per 3, 5. And this is subtract 5, subtract 3. Right? This is put the decimal, 35.5. So once you, after practice, so whenever you see the number very fast. One more example I show you. For example, you have 213 subtract 125.68. So that one. So as we know, you need to add a 0, right? And then you see this one is smaller, 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 smaller after that volume. So you just make, this is a 0, this is a make a 1, this is a make 2, this is a make 9, this is 10. Okay? And then you subtract, this is a 2, because this is a 3, and this one 5 to 5, yeah, 5 per 2 is 7 here, right? Put decimal here, and then you have 2 to 0 here is 8, and 87.32, right? So every time when you do subtraction, reaching to 10, and then from 10 to certain numbers. So pretty fast. Okay, this is presented by Wise Guys. Thanks for watching.